Bimmerfest 2025. So this is the first time I'm pulling up to this show. We're gonna get the car situated. I just gotta air out, but you know I gotta show you guys. I'll show you some of the cars right here, right now. It's looking like it's gonna be a good day. So hold on, let me set you guys up here. All right, you guys see the process, man. This was a drive. This was like a good 2 hours, I want to say. So geez, man, I'm already sweating. But we made it. Car's looking good. Car's still looking clean, which is good. We didn't hit much traffic really at all. We left early, so things worked out okay. I don't mind that. You know what I'm saying? Let me slide this over. There we go. There we go. Everyone's just getting set up. Got another 5 Series right here. It's a really nice color. Honestly, I think if I didn't have the black, yeah, that's a color I'd want for sure. Clean 540, man. So right where we're parked, the racetrack is just over here. So it's actually nice. We could be right by the whip and also see the cars coming by on the track. See E36 coming in. I've seen this thing before at some of the vulture meets. Here's some of my boys. Supposed to drive up with them, but man, I got delayed and kind of detoured because I missed a turn. Man, my fault. So they got here slightly earlier than me, but it's cool. So what I'm gonna do is I'll walk with you guys through again once everyone's set up, but right now I'm just gonna kind of walk through, meet with some of my guys, say what's up, and I'll show you guys the show when everything's fully set up and done with, you know, ready to go. Okay, so we got our show and shine package. You see the flag? I think I gotta put this on the dash of the car, they said. I don't know. We're gonna see what everyone else is doing and figure it out from there. Man, these cars are looking cool, but I'm gonna save it. I'll show you guys soon. All right, guys, so we got a first contender out of our group going on the track, man. Mikey is hitting the track in the M5. This guy has a helmet and everything. I'm pretty sure a helmet's required. I don't go on the track, guys, so I don't fully know what the rules are here. But anyways, he's got a super official. And this guy's such a bod man. He's got stuff in his trunk. And he's still hitting the track, man. I love Mikey, man. This guy's sick. Anyways, we're gonna see him as he flies by over here. Yeah, it's motion, man. You hear that V10. This thing sounds just wicked. Love to see it, love to hear it, man. Okay, guys, I'm gonna take you through the official walkthrough. It looks like this area is for the most part situated. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly what we got going on in this show and shine section. So right now, of course, hold on a sec, got some people. Boom, we got my car right here. You guys know where we gotta start off first. But anyways, car's looking good. It made it here. You know, it was a nice, slick, smooth drive. We did some maintenance on the car. And yeah, guys, you won't even believe, like, we had the engine partially taken apart literally a day ago. And you know, we're here. This is how we do. So this is us, Eureka. You know the deal. Isaiah was supposed to come. He might still come in this E36, but I'm not too sure. But man, it would be nice if he even rode with me, man, to see this event. It's nice, you know. It's cool when you got your people around, especially these kind of events. They don't happen too often, and we only got so long of the season for them. But anyways, you guys saw this 5 Series. I believe I would have showed you a clip on its way in. I'll show you guys a little walk around. This color is very nice. I like it. Duals with the dining. It's got the M dash up front there. Got a cluster. It's got the phone in the middle. Good looking car, man. I like this color. If I had that color, man, jeez. Some polished lips, you know, a brush face type of wheel, man, that would kill the game. Even the BBSs I have would look really nice on that car. You guys see the track, it's right beside us. We're gonna check out these cars first and I'll give you guys some track footage over there. Or matter of fact, to be honest with you, I might even make the track footage a separate segment, but we'll see. I'll check all this stuff out as well later, but I'm gonna take you guys through here. This 7 Series is looking good, man. Not too common you see one like this, and these wheels, I like that. That's a cool two-tone he's got going on. Not two-tone paint, but you know, the black face with the polished lip looks good. 735i, good work. M4 in that blue, not too common. I like that. I like this M4 as well. Color's good. Wheels are nice. Yeah, wheels look really good, especially with the carbon fiber accents on that one. I like the red on this. It actually looks pretty good. Yeah, that ties in nice. BBS is on this car. I think we may have seen this car before. Is this the Adro front end? I think it's the Adro front end. I'm not entirely sure, guys. Let me show you the back. You see the interior. This thing's serious. Check out the rear. You hear that cold start over there? Holy man. Insane. Yeah, spots are tight over here. I think these guys move their cars so that way their boy can have a spot when he gets back. Smart, man, smart. Do what you gotta do. If you got here early enough to get a good spot, hey, you gotta protect it. And you see, this is how we're protecting Mikey's spot, man. We got the scooter, BMW scooter, man. You know. Jeez, remote start. BBS is on this thing, it's nice. On that one too. I'm listening for that V10, man, because when Mikey hits the track, I gotta catch that thing going by. Clean cars. Everything's looking nice over here. Everything's looking nice. Hold on, you know I gotta go on this side too. I'll go up track side so that way I can see kind of where Mikey's at. You see the E30 M3. Beautiful car. Beautiful car, man. Mean M3. M3 mean. I like that. Pay to play. Wonderful play. Good work, buddy. All right, let's see what's popping. Take a quick look. See where our man Mikey is. Jeez, diesel. All right, I don't see that M5 thing on the track yet. Yeah, today should be a pretty crazy day, guys. As you know, Adam LZ is in town. He's gonna be doing some drifting. This is gonna be a show for sure. Check it out. They even have a car wash section over there. Jeez, man, that's how you really do a show. Let me show you guys this. Beautiful car. I'll show you the front in a second. Check out this plate here. This is a cool E36, man. Carbon so clean. I love that plate. One love. Bob Marley. He's got the BBS's. Looking good, man. Looking good. Yeah, this thing is nice. So much carbon on it. You see the E30 over there. Hood propped up. Looking good. You guys may just have to count how many times I say looking good, man. I think I'm saying it non-stop. We got our boy Tommy at the boot mod booth. Boot mode, okay? Check out this car, man. I know this thing's an absolute rocket. Insane. Wow. I don't even know where to begin. Absolutely crazy. Tell me, you guys think you could handle this type of car? I'll tell you what, man. I don't think I'm putting my foot to the floor in this thing. Check out the interior. I don't think I'm putting my foot to the floor in this thing, man. Wow. Gutted, ready to go. Bead lock, welds in the back, parachute, carbon everywhere it could be. Lightweight car. This thing puts in work, man, for sure, for sure. And the doors and everything are carbon fiber too. That's the way to go. Doing it big, doing it the real way. Some cars still coming through. I like this one right here. Marble M3 right there. Seen this M2 a few times. If you guys watch the videos, you'll see it around. Look at the details on this thing, man. Trunk setup and everything. Looking good, looking good. Engine bay's looking nice. A little different of a concept. Jeez, hold on, let me show you the trunk. Let me show you the trunk. Wicked, man. It's got the screens in the back seat or the back of the front seat. Wow. Got simulators going here. I think this is a line for registration. We already got that covered for us. Yeah, it's back over there, man. I'm hoping no one moves those scooters. That M5 belongs in the show, you know? I may have to get one of those pieces right there. M4 looking good. Drop top M4, I like that. Jeez. Saw this car, of course, at Euro Classic. I like that little off-white at the bottom there too. Beamer galore here, guys. Beamer galore. Where's my man's Mikey and V-Lad, man? I haven't heard him go on the track yet, and I know that V10 ain't an easy task to hide.
This reunite and set up somewhere and then bring it in after.
My man's Williams Legal Services on the scene. Okay, here's Mikey's car. Maybe they have to wait a little bit. Man, I smell clutch. Damn. Jeez. Hey, there's the guy. You see the shirt, man. Mikey's choking out, holy. All right. LZ, MFG. Man, I might just have to buy something and support. Because this is cool to see these guys local. You know, not in Florida. I gotta go to Florida, guys. I gotta hit Miami at least. But I wanna go around Florida for sure. Check out the BM Vet, man. This guy got right up. Prime positioning. That's what we like to see. Good work, my boy. Doing big things. You guys see the cars? Jeez. Unreal. Definitely worth coming. As we get closer to this end here, this is what I like to see, man. Is the LZ tent right here. DJ Motors right there. There's the man himself. How you doing, bro? Good. Didn't want to interrupt this call, but you know, it's a busy man doing big things, man. This thing looking clean with those center caps. I like that. Man, I think I saw that one on the highway. Not on the highway, but on some of the back roads on the way coming here. Yeah. I saw that, of course. Oh, it's a naked mannequin, man. What the? Jeez. Yo, these guys, they got to get it together, brother. Yeah. I'm crossing traffic like crazy over here. Lots of motion. You guys see what's going on, man. Tony's Classics at Bimmerfest. Okay. And I love this guy. He's everywhere. That's what people say at every show. This guy is everywhere, man. Some exotics in the back here. Check out this Ram on air ride, man. Flexing. You see the big bag, man. I wonder how this thing rides. That's insane. That's like a real, like semi almost airbag size. But look at the way it tucks and the way it can get up too. That's cool to see. Not too bad. Oh, look at the bends on the spinner, man. This guy's not playing around. This BRZ's nice. Rims are crazy on this thing, man. Wide as heck. Got some Fast and the Furious cars rolling through. Looking good, looking good. I don't even know where I'm going at this point, man. I'm just walking through. I haven't been here before, so I'm literally just exploring. All right, so it doesn't seem like there's anything too crazy going on over here, so I'm gonna find some new stuff, some cool stuff. I'll show you guys exactly what's popping, you know, once I see something cool going on, something crazy. There's some nice cars on that side of the fence there, but I won't go that far yet. I won't go that far yet. It's crazy over here, man. You're seeing the cars just entering the track. Wicked. Mikey still ain't hit the track, man. What's going on? Mikey, what's the word, brother?
What's up, brother? Going on a track?
Okay, okay. All right, I'm gonna get trackside. I'm gonna get you.
Yeah, buddy.
And that will mark the end of this part of the video. You guys know the deal when you tune in with me. This is Jordan from Team Eureka. I got that Prove 'em shirt on this time. You guys know I had to rep it for the show. And y'all know what time it is when you tune in with me, man. The clock is ticking. Prove 'em. I'm gonna have that linked right there. I'm out of here. Later.